Hello, good morning, class 8. Before starting chapter 5, I want to say you that for the contents, you look at here 1, 2, and 3. We have all done all question answers, everything. 4 and 6 for activity. Activity means only spelling. You read the chapter by your own and only spelling I will give you. Now 5 and 7 reading and word meaning, nothing else. So today we'll begin with, I am holding again, look at here, please note it down. 1, 2, 3, every question answer, fill in the blanks, whatever I have taught you will learn. Class chapter 4 and 6 only read by yourself, nothing else. I will give you some spelling for writing in the interleaf copy, that is not a big issue. I will finish chapter 5 and 6 only reading and word meaning, then next week we'll start the revision work. Thank you. Now today we'll begin with the chapter 5, that is a friend in need is a friend indeed. This is a proverb, children. So we'll begin with the chapter. It's a very small chapter, I think so. Raman and Jay were fast friends. They studied in the same class. Raman was rich while Jay was poor. But this did not come in the way of their friendship. Jay had lost his father long ago, and his mother was domestic servant with a meager income. Not so much. So he was always late in paying his school fees. Once Jay's mother fell ill and she could not go to work for several days. Jay was expelled. Expelled means out of, for not paying his fees in time. When Raman came to know about it, he stopped going to school and told his father, I will not go to school because my best friend has been expelled, but out of school. His father asked him the reason. He is poor and has failed to pay his fees in time. So the principal has expelled him, replied Raman. What if I pay the fees for your friend? His father offered. That will be great, Dad, but couldn't you pay his fees every month? His mother can barely afford his fees, but he is very poor, good student. Raman fixed his eyes imploringly. Imploringly means a very hope, with a great hope on his father's face. His father promised that he would bear all the fees expenses for Jai. Raman had ever felt happier. He hugged his father and thanked him again and again. This is, I have read out, page number 32. So open the page number. I hope you all have understood up to this. Now I am going this side for giving you some of the part of the story. That is page number 33. Read out. Both the friends resumed their school after graduation. Raman stopped studying further and joined his family business. Jay continued his studies with the expenses still being borne by Raman's father, and successfully, I'm reading this part, and successfully became a bank officer. Each of them got married soon after and lived happily. This part. Now come to this part. One day, Miss Fortunate knocked at Raman's door. He suffered a big loss in his business and was ruined. His wife asked him to go to Jay. She had full faith that he would help them out, but Raman refused to seek Jay's help. He thought he could work something out on his own and thus started roaming from one place to another in search of a job, but failed to get any. One hot morning, when he was returning home from an interview, he fainted on the street. A big crowd gathered around him in no time, but nobody stepped forward to help. After a while, a man stepped out of a big car. He was Jay, Raman's old friend. Jay was shocked to find Raman in this condition. He brought him home and took good care of him. After some time, when Raman regained consciousness, means Raman was conscious. You marked this spelling. regained conscious. Surprised to see Jay before his eyes, both friends hugged each other. Jay asked Raman how he had come to that state, and Raman narrated everything to him. Jay was upset to learn the condition of his friend. He learned, Raman, why this part is important. Why did you not tell me anything? I am your friend. Why me anything? I am your friend. Why in time of need did you not remember me? Raman stopped and said, had I asked you for help you? Then Jai said, would have thought of me as selfish? Jai was saying, okay. Then, since when did selfishness come in between our friendship? You can ask anything from me, my friend. Both the friends wept with love each other. This part is very important. Read by your heart. Raman and Joy had a meal together, and then the latter dropped Raman to his house. Next day, Joy called Raman to his office and arranged a big loan for him and his personal risk. Raman restricted his business, restarted his business, and worked hard. His business flourished again, and he became so rich within a few years. He also repaid the bank loan. Both the friends were now happy, and their friendship grew deeper and deeper. So, the moral of the lesson, a friend in need, a friend in need. From this chapter, only learn the moral. I am telling you many times, and learn the word meaning, nothing else. No question answer, no fill in the blanks. I got it, page number 34. So 32 to 34 today I have taught you the lesson and the word meaning. Thank you children. Bye bye.